Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on your heated steering wheel and heated seats in 2013 Dodge Journey. This is gonna apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 and all the way up to 2020, and of course if they are equipped with heated steering wheel and heated seats. So first thing to do is to start the vehicle. And you can activate those options right here. Or if you don't get this set up on the display right away, there is another way to do it. So what you need to do, select controls. And now right there, you can turn on your heated seats. This is for driver's side. You can set it to high or to low with second press. Same with the passenger side. Now this is on high settings. One more push and it's gonna be low settings. Third push is gonna turn it off. And just one push on heated wheel. And this is gonna activate your heated steering wheel. To turn it off, simply push one more time. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.